It's Jeremy Pereira. I'm the office assistant for the School of Business and Economics here at the Brampton campus. I thought it'd be pretty cool to kind of share with you how to play Best Part by Daniel Cesar. It's a super simple song and an easy strum pattern. It only has four chords. So yeah, let's jump right into it. So the first chord that you're going to be playing is the D major 7 chord, which is super simple. What you're going to do is you're going to take your index finger and you're going to place it right on the second fret of the first 3 strings from the bottom. Okay, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, and just your index finger. And that's what the chord sounds like. All right. The next chord is going to be your A minor 7 chord, which is super simple again. You're going to take your index finger, place it on the second string of the first fret, and then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 4th string, but on the 2nd fret. And that's what it's supposed to sound like. Then you're going to jump right into your G major 7 chord, which is your index finger on the 3rd fret of the 6th string. Then you take your middle finger and place it on the 2nd string, but also on the 3rd fret. And then you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 4th fret of the 3rd string. And this is what it's supposed to sound like. Now, if you hold that same position and just move it down to 6 and 7, you have your B flat major 7 chord. And I'll tell you exactly where your fingers need to be on the fretboard. You take your index finger, 6th fret, and it'll be on the 6th string. You take your middle finger, you place it on the 2nd string, but on the 6th fret, and then you take your ring finger and you place it on the 3rd string of the 7th fret, and it's supposed to sound like this. Alright, so now I'm going to quickly show you how to strum it, and it's super simple. It's just down, pause, downstroke, pause. So here I'll show you. So I was kind of just showing you the stroke pattern, but I guess I kind of also showed you how to play the song. But here's what the song is kind of supposed to sound like all together. So here you go. So yeah, so that's the song. I hope you enjoyed it. If you know any songs that are kind of simple to that, I'm kind of coming back after a while of not playing guitar for so long. So I'd really like to learn some new songs too. So if you have any, please make a video and share with me. I'd love to learn some new songs. And on that note, make sure you're staying safe, staying inside, and taking care of yourself. Take care. Have a good one.